Dubai. A city that built skyscrapers where there was only desert. A city where engineers, IT professionals, finance experts, and business leaders from every corner of the planet come to earn more, grow faster, and live better. But in 2026, how do you actually land a job here as a foreigner? Because I'll tell you right now, Dubai does not work like your home country. The rules are different, the process is different, and the mistakes that kill your chances, they're different too. In this video, I'm walking you through the complete step-by-step system for getting a job in Dubai in 2026. I'm going to cover your CV, your LinkedIn, the visa process, salary negotiation, and the interview. And I'm going to tell you exactly where to register your CV so that the right people see it. Stay until step 7, because that's where I expose the single biggest mistake that gets 80% of foreign applicants rejected before a human ever reads their profile. Let's go, starting with step 1. Let me give you 5 fast reasons why Dubai in 2026 is the single best opportunity for your career, regardless of where you're from. Reason 1, zero income tax. You keep every single dirham you earn. In the UK, you'd lose 40%, in India, 30%, in Canada, up to 33%, in Dubai, 0. That difference alone can be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars over a career. Reason 2, the UAE economy is actively expanding. Technology, finance, healthcare, construction, AI, and cloud infrastructure are all hiring at record pace. Reason 3, the UAE Golden Visa now lets skilled professionals live and work here for 5 to 10 years without needing an employer sponsor after a certain threshold. Reason 4, the quality of life. World-class healthcare, one of the lowest crime rates on the planet, incredible international schools, and a thriving expat community. Reason 5, career acceleration. People in Dubai get promoted faster, earn more, and gain global-level experience that transforms their entire professional trajectory. The question is not whether Dubai is worth it. The question is, do you have the right strategy to get there? That's what this video is all about. Step 1. Before you touch your CV, before you register anywhere, before you send a single message on LinkedIn, you need to understand which part of the Dubai job market you fit into. Because Dubai is not hiring everything equally. Some sectors are exploding, others are slowing, and sending your CV into the wrong segment is a waste of time. The hottest sectors right now in 2026 are IT and technology, especially cloud engineers, cybersecurity analysts, AI developers, ERP consultants, and software engineers. These roles are commanding between AED 20,000 and AED 60,000 per month tax-free. Finance and banking, the Dubai International Financial Center alone houses over 4,000 companies. Risk managers, compliance officers, financial controllers, and fintech specialists are all being actively recruited. Healthcare, major hospital expansions across Dubai and Abu Dhabi are creating urgent demand for doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and health administrators. Construction and engineering, Dubai South, Expo City, and dozens of mega infrastructure projects are generating thousands of project manager and engineering roles. Sales and marketing, every company entering the UAE market needs sharp commercial talent with Gulf or international experience. Write down your industry and your exact target job title right now. That is your foundation. Everything else we build on top of it. Drop a comment below telling me your industry. I reply to every single one. Step 2, your CV, and this is where most foreign job seekers make their first and sometimes fatal mistake. A UAE CV is not the same as a Western CV. The rules are different, and if you submit a CV designed for Europe or America, recruiters here will often skip it immediately. Rule 1, add your photo. In the US or UK, a photo on a CV can actually hurt you. In the UAE, it is standard practice and expected. Rule 2, include your visa status. Are you on a visit visa, a spouse visa? Do you need a work visa from scratch? Recruiters in Dubai need to know. Rule 3, include your nationality and date of birth. This is common practice in UAE recruitment and helps employers assess visa eligibility. Rule 4, state your salary expectation in UAE dirhams, AED. Do not write negotiable. Undervaluing yourself costs you money. Overpricing yourself wastes your time. Rule 5, keep it to 2 pages maximum. No fancy graphics. Many companies use ATS to filter CVs. Clean text-based CVs pass. Rule 6, tailor your CV for every role you apply to. Take keywords directly from the job description and work them naturally into your experience section. Once your CV is ready, the very next step is to submit it directly to StaffConnect UAE. Their specialist consultants review every CV personally. Step 3. LinkedIn. In Dubai, this is not a nice to have. It is the #1 tool recruiters and hiring managers use to source talent, often before a job is even officially advertised. And the good news is, 5 targeted changes to your LinkedIn profile can transform your visibility to UAE recruiters overnight. Change 1. Set your location to Dubai, United Arab Emirates right now, even if you haven't moved yet. Recruiters filter by location. If yours says London or Bangalore, you're being filtered out before they read a single word of your profile. Change 2. Activate Open to Work and specifically select UAE-based roles in your job preferences. This is a direct signal to every recruiter searching your profile. Change 3. Rewrite your headline to include your job title, your expertise, and the word UAE or Dubai. Clear, searchable, targeted. Change 4. Connect with UAE-based recruiters, hiring managers, and professionals in your field. 10 to 15 relevant connections per day compounds into thousands. Change 5. Be active. Comment on posts. Share your own insights. The LinkedIn algorithm rewards visible, engaged profiles with more search impressions. Step 4. And this is the step that most people skip, and it's costing them months of wasted time. Registering with StaffConnect UAE. Up to 70% of jobs in Dubai are never publicly advertised. They are filled through recruiter networks, agency databases, and direct referrals. This is exactly why registering your CV with StaffConnect UAE is not optional. It is essential. They are your direct line to Dubai's hidden job market. StaffConnect is one of the UAE's leading specialist recruitment agencies. They place professionals in IT, software engineering, finance, and more into top-tier companies. A specialist consultant reviews your profile personally. They match you against live vacancies, prepare you for interviews, and negotiate your salary package. And the best part? Registering costs you absolutely nothing. Recruitment agencies are paid by the employer, not the candidate. Zero financial risk. Go to staffconnect.ae right now, submit your CV, and let their team start working for you today. The link is in the description. Do not wait. Sending the exact same generic CV to 200 companies, no personalization, just a mass blast, and then sitting back and wondering why nobody responds. Sending the exact same generic CV to 200 companies, no personalization, just a mass blast, and then sitting back and wondering why nobody responds. UAE recruiters are busy professionals. They receive hundreds of applications every single day. A generic CV with no context goes straight into the bin. Here is what actually works. Apply to 10 carefully selected relevant roles per week. Tailor your CV, write a brief, personalized cover message, then follow up. Step 6. The interview. In Dubai, this process can move fast. Tip 1. Expect speed. You might have 3 rounds within the same week. Be ready. Tip 2. Research deeply. Know the company's business model and market position in the UAE. Demonstrate regional context to stand out. Tip 3. Dress formally, always, even for casual cultures. In the UAE business environment, your first impression carries enormous weight. Want to know the exact salary range for your specific role? Contact the StaffConnect team directly for honest current market data. Tip 5. Video interviews require the same professionalism, clean background, professional lighting. Your setup communicates who you are. Tip 6. Follow up within 24 hours. A concise, professional thank you email. This one simple act separates you from 90% of other candidates. Step 7. The visa. Misunderstanding this process can create costly delays. The great news is, the work visa sponsorship is the employer's responsibility. First, employment contract. Second, entry permit. Third, medical fitness test. Fourth, Emirates ID. And finally, your work residence visa is stamped. The timeline is typically 3 to 6 weeks. Also, ask about Golden Visa eligibility. It offers 10 years of residency without needing an employer sponsor. Now let's talk money. Because before you negotiate a single salary, you need to know what the market is actually paying in 2026. And remember, every single one of these figures is 100% tax-free. Software engineers earn up to $35K. Cloud architects and AI engineers command up to $60K and $65K respectively. These are major monthly tax-free packages. Finance controllers and sales managers are earning up to 45K and 50K. Plus, most UAE employers add a housing allowance of 25 to 40% of your base salary, a transport allowance, annual return flights to your home country, and full medical insurance. Want to know the exact salary range for your specific role? Contact the StaffConnect team directly for honest current market data. Step 1 to 7. That is your roadmap. Follow it with consistency, and you will get results. Go to StaffConnect right now, drop your CV, and let their consultants work for you. If this gave you value, please like it right now. Subscribe for more Dubai career strategy videos, and share this with someone thinking about making the move. If this video gave you genuine value, please like it right now. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our Dubai jobs, salary, and career strategy videos. And share this with one person in your network who is thinking about making the move.